A viewer commented on the video I had done where I sow the seed from the National Pickling Cucumber today, and I was like, oh yeah, I didn't do a germination test on those yet. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I don't like the baggy and paper towel method. The reason for that is because it's hard to get that wet paper towel in and out of the baggie when you're germinating seeds. But I do like repurposing things. Now, what I have here, this is a lid off the containers that I buy my coffee in. This is a 2-pound Eversweet margarine container lid. Those two lids fit perfectly together. So, what I'm going to do with that, I'll put that one up over there. Take a single paper towel. And my utility knife. Now I'm cutting around the Eversweet margarine lid because that is what goes inside the blue lid. That little piece there didn't come off and I got to get it off. So you can see it fits just perfectly when I cut around there. I want 2 layers. Having just 1 layer I don't think would afford enough moisture. Can't get 2 full circles, but I don't like wasting stuff, so I'll do that. I've got this little piece here. Underneath that initial part now I can keep cutting pieces like that so I'm not just throwing out paper towel. And like I said, it would afford more moisture in there for the seeds to germinate. Put those 3 pieces there and put that piece on top. I'll take my spray bottle. Spray it till it's nice and moistened. And here's some of the seeds I had collected. I'm going to put 20 seeds there. There are some seeds I'm pretty sure is no good, like this one here. He's flat. Now I forgot how many I put there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here's another one. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20 seeds. And I'll just put this lid now back in the other one. It is sealed as much as what the baggy would afford. A little sheet of labels I have here. National, National Pickling. And I put them in on 03/22/2019. I'll just take the label, stick that on there, and that's what we have. Now I'll put it there on the heating mat. Now, if you have the two lids are the same size, then there's an extra step you have to take. I have a couple lids right here. They're both parquet margarine container lids from the same size. And if you try to press these together, they'll come out like that. And nope. And then you realize it's coming up on the opposite side if you try to force it in that side. So, I'll put one back. I'm going to take our knife again. Two little slits. Now we've got the one space cut open, and straight across the lid from it, we'll cut another one. It doesn't have to be very big, but it does have to be an opening. I tried it the other way when just cutting a slit down through. You need somewhat of a space to do this. So now I've cut the lid with spaces on opposite sides, and I can start to lay this lid in on one side, and when I get to the slits I made, change it to the outside. It goes together very easily. It is, though, however, loose. So, my recommendation for this would be electrical tape. That's the tape that I find you can remove and put back each time. I don't think it really matters exactly where you put this tape. just so long as you have a piece, one piece opposite the other. So when you're done, you have something like this. Now you would have put your paper towel and your seeds in this like I did the other one, and when it comes time to check it, you just remove the one side, you lift it up, check your seeds, put it back down, replace the tape, return your little, what would you call that, seed sprouting capsule to the warming mat. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching.